It's wrong. You made a decision without listening to the people. It's wrong. You made a decision without listening to the people.
Thank you.
On the motion.
Mr. Martin, before you make a vote, can somebody speak on the motion? Just on the motion?
There's going to be public input, Mr. Cleary, in a few minutes.
What I'm saying is it's very difficult.
It's good.
Difficult.
Mr. Cleary, there's going to be public input in a few minutes.
It's very difficult.
It's going to be public.
Committee to make a decision without listening to input.
If I could,
sitting here,
Mr. Cleary, please. Come on, Mr. Cleary.
I can't believe you're doing this. Make the decision.
No. On the motion, all those in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion carries.
Move adjourned.
Motion for adjourned.
Second.
Motion to adjourn. All those in favor?
Aye.
Every dime we take away means we're not going to have staff in front of those students. We have to think about that. So I think option one, as it's presented, as the motion read, is the most fiscally sound option. Unfortunately, does the 8th grade go into the high school as a parent? No, it doesn't give me that good feeling at all. However, I know the staff at the high school, I know the superintendent, and that it'll work, and it'll work well. Thank you.
On the motion.
Mr. Martin.
And that it'll work, and it'll work well. Thank you.
On the